Okay, before we get started, I'm going to spray this wig with some As I Am So Much Moisture Jelly, comma, Hababa oil, comma, and Aunt Jackie's Detangling Conditioner in the pink bottle. No, fool, this is not real bleach in this bottle. Disclaimer, in states Texas, Massachusetts, California, and Arizona, this bottle was thoroughly cleaned before application to wig. Side effects will not apply. Now, back to your regular scheduled program.
He like, God don't like that you rapping on trap beats. He don't even like that you rapping. I was like, word, let me ask God. That's not what I heard. Huh? See that religion, tradition, and Pharisee, Sadducee stuff for the...
Hey, what's good, everybody? Today, let's go ahead and install Nadula Jerry Curl 20-inch V-part wig with me. Let y'all know if it's worth buying or not. Stay tuned. Okay. So first, I'm just going to oil my little twist outs. I need to take my ring off. I'm just gonna oil my scalp. Cause it's definitely, she definitely need oiling. First, just oil my scalp with some Hababa oil. Something that I thought about doing off camera, but I'm going to show everything. Yeah. Alright, so now I'm gonna just put a little bit of As I Am So Much Moisture on my hair, just because it's been like 2 days since I've done it. Dreadlock Master Man, Rastafari Rasta, Rastaman, Rasta. I'm not gonna lie, I like my twist. I like my twist. This is the end of week 1 for him. Oh, this is the end of week 1, but last night I didn't sleep with no bonnet on. Oh, I low-key already have a part. Hold on, y'all. Let me go get my rat's heel. Ooh. Ooh. What's crazy, y'all, is that I already have a part. I thought I was gonna have to make one, but I forgot. I did these twists really small this time, so I actually have a lot of parts already formed, and so now all I really have to do is edge up. All I have to do is edge up. That's all I have to do. Put me a little Hababa on. Some Hababa. Alibaba Express. Did I just mix 2 companies? Alibaba Express. Okay, yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir. I just used some wax because I don't have any edge control. So for now, this wax actually can do and will do. It's just some coconut wax that I normally use on my wigs. And if I don't have any edge control, then I just use them on my real edges. So hair's back pulled in a little side pony. And the thing is with V parts, so I've had a few now, and they all be different. They really do. So what I've learned is I kind of just start my cap kind of back. I started as back as I can, because I've had some that maybe the wig kind of stopped there, but then I've had some where it's like I had to have more part out. And I don't know if you guys have seen any of my any V-part wig video that I have. I always say that I don't wear V-parts for my hair to be out. I understand the convenience in it, and that's a good thing. I don't want to wear them like that. Like, I want all my hair to be in. So this wig, I paid $119 for, which I thought was really good because it is a 20-inch. They did have some type of sale. And so right now, today is probably September 1st. I'm lying. Today is September 2nd, right? I got this wig, I got this wig at, let's just say, the first week of August. So it really has been 1 month. Let me take a look at this a little bit closer. Let me get y'all a little closer so I can see. So I can really see what's going on. Yes, I really don't. That's what's crazy. So I can honestly say this about these Nadula wigs. Real spill, there is not really much you have to do at all. Like, for real. Like, this is my second V-part Nadula wig, and I can honestly say that I don't have to, like, sometimes you have to manipulate up here. Okay, y'all, I had to kind of position my camera a little bit better so y'all can really see it. But I don't, there's no manipulation I have to do. This is the second time I think I've ordered a Nadula V part, and I did not have to do any manipulation. Now, the hair has dried a little bit, so it is a little poofy. But if I do want it wetter, which I'm gonna be honest, I actually don't, not right now, but just for the sake of the video, I am someone who do like flat hair. I don't like hair really, I do like big and poofy hair. I do like big and poofy hair on certain styles, right? Kind of like twist outs or like wand curls. But normally with hair like this, I do like it as flat as possible. Now, what I could do is I could do a little bang here, which I do plan on doing. I'm just not doing it right now. I'm not gonna do it. I will show y'all. I'll actually put it on camera when I do it, because I am gonna do another video with this wig. But for the sake of right now, like, I don't want to actually do anything. Dang, here we go. Here we go. Okay. Bro. When you realize the whole time you should have did the video this way, because the camera is more focused. But yeah, y'all, I like the wig. I like that it's Blayage. I like the color. It's not too let's think, would this be I guess this would be a honey blonde. I'm getting more brownish than blonde, but regardless of the fact, I really like it. I think it's cute, and I love how I did my side part. This is a wig that I could do so much in, you know what I'm saying, like, because it's a jerry curl wig or whatever. Yeah, I really like it. I really like it. You know what's funny? On my last Nadula wig video, it was the same thing. I was running out of, that last video, I think I was running out of water. This one is more so, the bottle keep acting crazy. But yeah. Alright, y'all, but thank you for tuning in. Yes, this is definitely a wig that you should buy. And I mean, you can see the color on me, like, it looks really good. Peace and chicken grease. Thanks for tuning in. She going outside, okay? She is going outside. Don't know when, but she's going out. All right, bye, y'all.